Welcome to the channel. Let's fix some delicious, tangy, barbecue hot dogs in the slow cooker. Thank you for joining our demonstration. This is a Larry Under Pressure production.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I just got off work and I really wanted some barbecued hot dogs. I live in Birmingham, Alabama, and even though I live on the top of a mountain, it's early in August and it's absolutely hot as hell up here. It's midsummer. So I didn't want to start the grill, didn't want to boil hot dogs or steam them or do them in the air fryer, but I wanted some barbecued hot dogs. So I'm going to do them in the slow cooker and fix barbecued hot dogs in the slow cooker, and I'm going to bring you along to show you how I do it. First of all, I'm going to start with the hot dogs. These are all beef, and I'm going to cut slits in them so they don't curl up when they're cooked. And then we'll put them in the slow cooker and add the sauce to them. Alright, there's the 4 hot dogs, and they're in there. Into this pan, let me get a spoon. We're going to put 1 cup of ketchup. To that we're going to add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, but you can use any kind you want. Whatever your favorite is. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire and 2 tablespoons of raw vinegar. And that's it. Let's stir that up. Get it good and mixed. Oh man, it's hot outside. It's 98 degrees and the humidity must be about 98%. So it's miserable here in Birmingham today. But this will make it worthwhile because we're having barbecued hot dogs tonight and we don't have to get hot or heat up the house to do it. Okay, that's ready. Let me move this over here. And as you can see, the hot dogs are in there. We're going to just pour the sauce right on top of them. What a great recipe. And now we're going to stir that around so all the hot dogs are covered with the sauce. They don't have to necessarily be covered with it, but they need to be introduced to it, so they've got it coating them. There we go. These smell so good while they're cooking too. With that barbecue sauce and ketchup and all that in there, they're going to smell unbelievable. Let me put the lid on there. See if I can zoom in on that just a little bit so you can see. Yeah, there you go. You can see those hot dogs in there. Yum. I'm going to put the lid on there. And you can cook it on low for about 2 to 3 hours, but since it's already late, I just got off work and I want to eat before midnight, I'm going to put it on high and we'll let it cook for about 1.5 hours on high and see how they look. When we get to that point, I'll come back and we'll check them out. These have been cooking now on high for about 1.5 hours, close to 2 hours. And they look like they're done and they smell great. The sauce has gotten very thick. Let's take a look. Look at those. After I closed them and went off camera before, I came back and I sprinkled a little brown sugar on top of them. It looked like to me that that would make them a little better, and I'm glad I did. Let's take them out and put them on a plate and see how they look. They're nicely coated with that sauce and looks like they're well cooked. They look good. Look like barbecued hot dogs. I'm going to put one on a bun and we're going to taste it, so I'll be right back. These barbecue hot dogs look and smell amazing. Let's put one in a bun. Take it out of the slow cooker. Put it in the bun. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Let's give it a taste. Time for the taste. Wow. That's really good. Really, really good. It's cooked perfectly. It's not mushy. It's good and has a little substance to it. The barbecue and the sugar and the honey and everything else that's in there has really made it taste delicious. It looks like a great meal. With it, we'll mix some coleslaw and mustard and ketchup and put on it to enjoy it, and maybe some chips and some potato salad. So dinner's ready. It hadn't taken long. Came home from work, didn't heat up everything, and got it all ready to go. If you've enjoyed this recipe, I'd ask that you go to the little red square at the bottom right of your screen and click to subscribe, or subscribe in the information below. Also, there's a recipe for this dish below this that you can highlight and print for your records, so you don't have to try to remember or write it down. And also there are a lot of the items, Amazon links to make purchases on these items that we use on the channel. We always appreciate you visiting. It's always great to have you, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.
As always, a big thanks to each of you who join us and subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions really help us get our message out to more people. If you're not a subscriber, we'd love to have you among our ranks. It's simple and doesn't cost you a thing. I'm Andrew, the voice of Larry Under Pressure, and always proud to announce for the channel. We'll see you on our next video. Take care.